Hello, hello. Welcome back to Muddy River Clay. This is Mark. Today we are making a ceramic pour over. I have a couple that I use. One is the silicone one, which works well, but it's kind of floppy. And then I have the ceramic one that I have, which is great, but why not make our own? I don't know about you, but I do love me a coffee pour over. So let's get started. Now, I used a temple from Circlematic, and here's what it looks like. So I've rolled out a slab of clay, and the reason I like this is I've already got the size, but you can really do this freehand. You can download some templates. But what we're making is the base of the pour over. And I'm going to actually keep this template on. It's kind of a laminated plastic. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my seams together. Got to do the outside and the inside, but this gives it a nice firm base that I can work with. And don't worry about changing the shape a little bit. You can play with it and straighten it up. And that's what I'm doing right now. So once I get my seams all created, then I just have one more piece, which is the base. And the base is where the coffee flows through the filter. And so to give this a little bit of kind of depth, I'm going to put this over just a bottle that I have here. And I've got some plastic over it. And that way I can firm this up a little bit. And next I need to cut a circle. And I just have another template. You want this to be fit for you. So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger than I need. And now I'm going to create a piece of clay that's going to go on that's just going to help the coffee flow. So I slipped, scored it. Some of them have 3. I'm going to put 2 just because that seems to work here. And I just want to clean this up just a little bit, give it a little bit of style. And now we're looking good. So now I want to go ahead and put this on the piece, and I'll slip and score it. And first I'll clean up the outside. And if you can kind of picture this, this is going to be the bottom. And this is what will fit over the cup. And you can use your favorite coffee mug. And then I'll go ahead and make sure to clean it up on both sides. And I like faces. So I went ahead and put a face on mine. If you've been following my channel, you know that I like those. And I just want to put a handle on here. So I've got the face on, I've got the bottom attached, got a handle that's been sitting here firming up just a little bit, and I'll put it just on the other side of the nose. And there you go. There's my coffee pour over. It's got to go through the 2 firings, and I hope you'll join me for another video where we get to see it all glazed and ready to go. And if you love coffee, I hope you make one of these. Feel free to share your questions, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.